Camping doesn't have to mean heavy gear and rough nights anymore. Amazon is full of gadgets that make the outdoors smarter, lighter, and way more fun. Let's check out the viral camping gadgets from Amazon. And if you want to check out any of these for yourself, I've dropped the links down in the description. Number 1. Life Straw Water Filter. Let's talk about one of the most viral camping gadgets, that is the Life Straw Water Filter. This slim straw might look simple, but it's a literal lifesaver when you're outdoors. It removes 99.9% of waterborne bacteria like E. coli and Salmonella, plus 99.9% of parasites such as Giardia, which are common nightmares for hikers. That means you can safely drink straight from a stream, lake, or river without boiling or carrying heavy water bottles. It doesn't just stop at germs. The Life Straw also filters out microplastics down to 1 micron and reduces water cloudiness to 0.2 microns, giving you clean, clear water when you need it most. Number 2. AI hand warmers. Imagine you're camping in the middle of winter, and instead of juggling clunky heat packs, you pull out these AI hand warmers. They come as 2 separate pods. You can snap them together for a 360-degree palm heater, or use them individually, one in each hand, or even share with a friend around the fire. The magic here is the AI temperature sensor chip. It doesn't just blast heat randomly, it actually analyzes the warmth of your skin and adjusts in real time, so you stay at the perfect level without burning or cooling off. With a 6,000 milliamp hour battery, you get up to 20 hours of heat, more than enough for an overnight camping trip. Number 3. RoverTac 14-in-1 Multi-Tool. This isn't just some pocket gadget. It's basically a mini toolbox for camping. You get an axe and hammer for pounding in tent stakes or chopping kindling, a knife and saw for food prep or cutting branches, and screwdrivers for tightening gear. There's even a bottle opener for when the day's done. The whole thing is made from tough stainless steel with a sturdy black handle, so it feels solid in the hand. It's compact enough to hang from your belt in its nylon sheath, meaning you'll always have it ready whether you're hiking, fishing, or just fixing things around camp. Number 4. Portable Toilet. Now this one's clever. A portable toilet that actually feels like a real seat. Instead of the usual cramped 11-inch models, this stands at 16 inches tall, so adults and seniors won't feel like they're squatting awkwardly in the woods. It's built with a sturdy board and soft leather seat, not that cheap hard plastic you usually get, and it even has side handles plus a storage pocket. You've also got a phone and tissue holder because, let's be honest, you're going to need both. When you're done, it folds flat to just over 3 inches, slips into a waterproof bag, and fits in your backpack or car trunk. Number 5. Portable Camping Fan. This portable camping fan is way more than just a fan. It's basically a mini comfort station for your tent. It combines a cooling fan with a starlight projector and LED lighting. So instead of sitting in a dark, stuffy tent, you get fresh air plus that cozy, starry sky vibe. You've got 3 wind speeds, from a soft breeze to strong airflow, and it's whisper quiet, so you can actually sleep without the constant humming. It's super light at just 280 grams, folds down small, and hooks right onto your tent with a built-in carabiner. The 3,600 milliamp hour battery lasts all night, depending on how you use it, and you can recharge it with a power bank through USB-C. Number 6. Solar Camping Lantern. It's the kind of gadget you wish you had on every trip. It pumps out 75 lumens of bright LED light, and you can adjust the brightness depending on whether you're reading inside your tent or lighting up the campsite. What makes it really clever is the design. It's inflatable, collapsible, waterproof, and even shatterproof, so you can toss it in your backpack without worrying. You'll never stress about batteries again. A full charge gives you up to 24 hours of light, and you can recharge it either with the sun in about 10 hours or with USB in just 1 to 2 hours. Number 7. Outdoor folding table. This folding table is a game changer if you love camping. It packs down super small, about the size of a briefcase, and then opens up into a full 47-inch table you can actually eat, cook, or play cards on. The MDF top and aluminum frame keep it lightweight, but still sturdy, holding up to 66 pounds. It's got zippered storage underneath, so your food stays safe from bugs and critters. It sets up in seconds, and when you're done, you just fold it back into its carrying case and throw it in the car. Perfect for camping, beach trips, or even a backyard barbecue. Just a quick heads up, it's not rainproof, so keep it dry if the weather turns. Number 8. Doctor, prepare portable shower. If you've ever gone camping and wished for a real shower, the Doctor, prepare portable shower solves that. It's basically a 5-gallon bag you fill with water, seal tight, and let the electric pump do the work. In just a minute, it inflates and builds enough pressure to give you a steady stream of water. You get 2 modes. Flip it up for continuous flow or press for manual bursts, which is handy if you're rinsing dishes, muddy boots, or even your dog after a hike. The rechargeable pump lasts up to an hour and charges with USB-C, so you can top it up with a power bank. Number 9. Emergency sleeping bag. This might look like just a shiny bag, but it's honestly a lifesaver if you're ever stuck outdoors. Made from NASA-designed Mylar, it reflects up to 90% of your body heat, keeping you warm even if it's freezing, raining, or snowing. From a camping perspective, it's not just a sleeping bag. It doubles as a rain tarp, ground cover, or even a sunshade when you need it. The reflective surface also acts like a signal beacon, so rescuers can spot you more easily if you're lost. And it even comes with a tiny compass, so you've always got a way to orient yourself. Number 10. Mosquito repellent candle. Unlike the chemical-heavy stuff, this one's 100% DEET-free, made from soybean and beeswax. What makes it special is the blend of rosemary, peppermint, citronella, lemongrass, and cedarwood oils. That combo doesn't just smell refreshing, it actually helps keep mosquitoes away naturally. Each tin packs about 40 hours of burn time, so you can light it up at your campsite and relax without swatting bugs every 2 seconds. The best part? It's family-friendly and comes with a resealable lid, which makes it easy to toss in your camping gear. Number 11. Air pump for inflatables. This little gadget looks like something you'd ignore, until you actually need it at camp. The Eaton Wolf Air 3 is as small as an egg, yet it inflates an air mattress in about a minute and deflates it in under 40 seconds. That means less time huffing and puffing and more time relaxing by the fire. With a 2,600 milliamp hour battery, it can handle up to 16 sleeping pads on one charge and works with any USB-C fast charger. But it's not just a pump. It doubles as a camping light with 600 lumens, bright enough to light up your whole tent or cooking area. It even comes with 5 nozzles, so you can use it on mattresses, floats, or inflatable furniture. Number 12. Camping Cookware Mess Kit. The Malo-Me Camping Cookware Mess Kit is basically your entire kitchen packed into one tiny bundle. You get a 2-liter non-stick pot, matching lid, frying pan, 2 BPA-free bowls, a folding stainless steel spoon, wooden spatula, sponge, and a drawstring carry bag. Everything nests neatly together, so it barely takes up space in your backpack. The hard anodized aluminum build means it's tough, heats evenly, and won't fall apart after a few trips. The heat-resistant handles and secure lids make cooking over a campfire or portable stove much safer. And because of the non-stick surface, you can cook real meals, boil pasta, and sauté veggies. Number 13. Portable espresso machine. Now here's something campers will love. A portable espresso machine from Wakako. It works with Nespresso Original Line capsules, so you can pack your favorite flavors without worrying about messy coffee grounds. No batteries, no charging, just your hands. With its semi-automatic piston press, you get up to 8 bars of pressure, which is what you need for a proper espresso shot. From a camping perspective, this is huge. Imagine you're at your campsite, morning chill in the air. You can make a cafe-style espresso in minutes, anywhere. Number 14. Pocket chainsaw. This thing looks small, but it's a beast. The pocket chainsaw is made from high-strength 65 Mn steel, tested to handle 4,000 newtons of force. Basically, you'd need someone almost 1,000 pounds heavy to snap it. In the woods, that translates into serious cutting power without lugging a gas chainsaw. Instead of clogging like regular saws, it uses a mix of 48 sharp teeth and 48 clearing teeth, so it slices through branches fast, smooth, and with way less effort. The teeth even resharpen easily with a standard file, so you won't be stuck if it gets dull. Number 15. Headlamp with motion sensor. If you've ever fumbled with a flashlight while setting up camp in the dark, this headlamp fixes that problem. Instead of a narrow beam like traditional lights, it gives you a 230-degree wide view, so your whole campsite is lit without constantly turning your head. Need to focus on something specific? Switch to its spotlight mode. What makes it really cool is the motion sensor. Just wave your hand to turn it on or off, even with gloves on. You also get 6 lighting modes, from bright floodlight to strobe for emergencies. Number 16. Fly fans for tables. Imagine you're out camping, finally ready to eat, and suddenly flies won't leave your food alone. That's where these fly fans for tables come in. The blades are covered in holographic dots that bend light in a way flies hate, so they stay away from your meal. And don't worry, if you or a kid touches the blades, they stop instantly and start again once you let go. They're lightweight, foldable, and quiet, so you can toss a few in your backpack without adding bulk or noise. You can set them on a picnic table or even hang them upside down with the built-in hook. Number 17. Electric can opener. So this little thing looks like a toy, but it's actually genius. It's an electric can opener that works with one touch. You press the button and it just glides around the can by itself. No effort, no wrist strain, no messing about. It cuts from the side, so you're left with a smooth edge instead of those sharp, jagged lids that slice your fingers. And because it's battery-powered, just 4 AAs, it's completely cordless, which makes it perfect for camping. It's one of those gadgets you'll never call essential until you actually use it. Number 18. Phone stand with speaker. This gadget looks simple, but it's actually doing 2 jobs at once. It's a foldable phone stand that also packs a Bluetooth speaker inside. Out at a campsite, that's surprisingly handy. You can prop your phone up to watch a film in your tent, follow a recipe while cooking outdoors, or jump on a quick video call, all while the speaker makes the sound louder and clearer than your phone ever could. It's compact, lightweight, and folds flat, so it won't hog space in your backpack. The base is anti-slip too, which means your phone won't slide off even on a wobbly picnic table. Number 19. Anti-choking device. This one isn't the kind of gadget you'd usually expect on a camping trip, but it could literally save someone's life. It's called the SaveLix anti-choking device, and the idea is really simple. If you or someone around you starts choking when you're far from help, you just place the mask over their mouth and nose, press down to seal, and pull back on the handle. It creates suction and clears the blockage. It even works if you're on your own. The kit comes with masks for both adults and kids, plus a practice one so you're not figuring it out for the first time in an actual emergency. Number 20. Seatable camping box. The seatable camping box is one of those multi-purpose gadgets that makes outdoor trips a lot easier. At first glance, it looks like a simple car trunk organizer, but it's actually much more. You can pack all your camping gear inside its 60-liter storage space, keeping everything neat in your vehicle. Once you're at the campsite, flip it open and it doubles as a sturdy camping chair, strong enough to hold an adult. The heavy-duty plastic build with a reinforced lid means it can handle fishing gear, hunting supplies, or just extra food storage. Number 21. OutSunny Camping Tent Cot. If you're tired of dragging along 5 different bags of gear, the OutSunny Camping Tent Cot is basically a full camping setup in one. You get a tent, cot, pillow, sleeping bag, air mattress, even a pump, packed neatly into a single carry bag. The smart part is you don't have to use it all together. You can take just the cot or just the mattress, depending on your trip. Since the tent sits off the ground, you stay dry and warm even if the ground is wet. The mattress inflates quickly with the included foot pump, and the cot can hold up to 250 pounds, so it feels stable and secure. And there you have it. Some of the most viral Amazon camping gadgets that make the outdoors safer, smarter, and way more comfortable. Which one would you pack first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more cool finds.